extracurricular activities are an important platform developing student talent, interests, and passion outside of academic activities. And the beginning of a school year, school table open registration or extracurricular activities manual using platform. Formation of the problem of the design and will a website extracurricular registration system. The US from students to use how can a website registration system help school manage application data more quick accurately and in a consistent manner. Proposal and objective of the proposal. The proposal of the extracurricular registration website is to freedom a more modern, practical, and efficient registration system. The manual modern decision allow online registration, making it easier for students to host the extracurricular activities they are interested in and also helping school many participate data in a more student manner. The purpose of creating an extracurricular registration website is Marcus is easy from student to register from extracurricular activities without having to fill out manual form. Having school manage application data to make the center faster to access and with minimal error, providing color information regarding the type, schedules, and interactor of extracurricular activities strong on platform. Benefit spill spill the extracurricular registration process with hosting can be done online without having to fill out manual form. Private, color, and student information all about extracurricular activities, schedules, and interactors. Interest accessibility because registration can be done by team and hardware. Interest accessibility because registration can be done by team and hardware. Extracurricular activities are an important part of the education process and school because they can develop student talent, interact, and protein outside of formal learning of the their and enhance in information technology are encouraging schools to add to more modern activities methods according to Heather. The House of Technology Education also has positive impact on the efficiency and profits from school service according to Moore. The integration for information technology in education can help administrative process improve service quality and profit and more interactive learning experience for students.